back to another video. Today I'm rebuilding this place because apparently someone came by and completely destroyed it. I've also invited my brother, wherever he's at. He's right there. He doesn't have to help me rebuild. He's building a base somewhere. So just don't do it here. I would do or something. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix all this up, and then yeah, I gotta get the supplies to fix it up though. So let me go do that real quick. Okay, so I think I found out what I'm going to replace the entire thing with. It's going to be, okay, it's going to be this, basically what I'm going to replace it with. And hopefully, just hopefully, this works out. Ooh, wait a minute, I made a mistake. Maybe like that. Right? Yeah, alright, well. I guess, apparently, somebody I guess moved in, over here. So I'm gonna design this and then get back to you because I think it's gonna be better if I just design this completely, off camera. Let me get that done real quick. Okay, I'm getting closer and closer to being done with this top part. Basically, I just want to be able to make like a more of a cool design as a room instead. I don't know what I'm talking about. Basically, as you can see, it's just gonna look a lot more better than what it was before. Hopefully. And then you guys, I will link the coordinates at the end of the video once again, so you can come here and see this place for yourself and enjoy it. So, yeah. I'll fix behind the walls and all that later, but for right now, I need to go ahead and actually up here should be fine. In here is where the fun happens. Because apparently someone made a room in here, yes, which is their room, but I need to fix the wall real quick. No one likes this wall like this. Okay. Apparently the entire ceiling's also like that as well. Give me 1 second. But yeah, basically I'm designing this entire place, redesigning it again. Because only like a couple of people, I think I gave access to just a TV. You can TV here as much as you like, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, you just come here or sit at home. Or you can, I guess, add me on Discord. I can probably try to do that. Both works. I don't really care though. Yeah, I need to get, I have so much of this stuff, I can use it for days. I need to get torches, so give me 1 second. Okay, now what we can go ahead and do is take these, I can turn this off real quick, and just place these every single where about they need to be in. So like there, and of course over here as well, obviously. And then over on this side, I'm going to go ahead and place another one over. Wait, no, I think we already have one over there. Out here definitely needs some, like one needs to go right here, another one needs to go like over here, and then we need to get on top real quick. Place one right there. Definitely one right there. There. I guess one up here. That's good. There we go. Now, we should have no reason to go off that. Hey, yo, what are you doing? Yeah, are you there? Yeah, muted his mic, so someone asking him. Alright. Never mind, he went back to being crouched again. Never mind, he's standing back up again. Okay. He went back to being muted again. Alright, so this is like the little storage. I'm actually going to design a bigger storage room, actually. Because people who come here, this is like not really enough storage for them. So as I go from my stuff real quick. Look at that. More chest. Knew I would find some. More wood. More. Actually, I got more everything. But we're gonna use this for right now to build a bigger storage room, which we're gonna build right here because it's a perfect spot for it. So give me 1 centimeter of a second. Okay, guys, I'm officially done. The new place is now officially done. It's like the little town hall, I guess you could say, of the area. Let me break these chests real quick and I'll give you guys a tour. Alrighty, so here we are, and I'm gonna give you guys a tour. So the chest's already broken. You can use these if you want to. I'll actually leave a couple of these actually for the people who want to expand a little bit. I don't want your stone. Is that okay? Alright, for the people who want to expand a little bit, you can just use these and expand if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, feel free to. So, this is the storage room. For right now, I'll make it bigger, but for right now, I think it's fine. Also, for an added bonus, we have 2 furnace rooms. My favorite being the one at the end. It's a long walk to it, but it has more furnaces than the other one, so I like it. This room can be a bedroom. I don't know who made it, but whoever made it, you're awesome. So, yeah. And then there's my brother over there. He is designing his base, so, yeah. Oh, yeah, I want you to know that this place might get destroyed. I want you to know that. You know that, right?
I'm not building.
Oh, what are you building?
It's gonna be a pit.
It's gonna be a what?
It's gonna be a pit.
It's gonna be a pit?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna leave him to building when he wants to build. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead. Oh, you know I'm leaking the coordinates to this place, right? Again.
You got any wood?
Do I got any wood? Give me 1 second. Hold on. Well, I'm gonna be leaking the coordinates again, so you guys have access to this place. So, just like last time, we'll be doing the exact same thing.
Oh, did they have?
What?
They have some left on?
I don't know, but I'm guessing a little bit of people did. I think I don't know, maybe not, but I think someone did, because they griefed it, and some people actually built here. So I'm guessing so. So, and it's not a bad place, honestly. This place is not that bad to build in. So, yeah. But feel free to come here again if you want to. Feel free to. Just enjoy the place. Just sit back and relax, and build whatever you want. But this place is rebuilt again. Not expecting it to last forever, because I know if someone sees this video and they're a griefer, they're just gonna come here and grief if they feel like it. But that's gonna be the end of the video for me. So yeah, guess I'm signing off. So yeah, enjoy. Well, actually, here, hold on a second. And the coordinates, you can see them. I think I'll put a circle around it if you feel like it. But yeah, you should see it. There you go. Coordinates are simple to find. Enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and I love you guys.